Today I've got a routine for you for balance. We'll start off by turning from our hips and waist, allowing our hands to gently knock across our body, giving us a little boost of energy. And taking deep breaths at the same time. And then allowing ourselves to come back to the center. We'll do some stretching, head circles. For that, we'll bring the hands on our back with the fingers pointing down. And then we'll start circling our head going one way. Releasing any tension that we feel in that area. Shoulders, neck, around the head, upper back. Taking deep breaths. And breathing into any spots where you feel like you've got some stagnant energy, where it feels tight and uncomfortable. And then we'll reverse the circle going the other way. And we'll do one more. Coming back to the center, releasing our hands. Just give them a quick shake out. And release. We'll do bear swimming in the ocean. Bringing our palms up. Hands come out while the hips go slightly back. And then bringing our hands around as if we're swimming. And we can exhale as the hands come forward and inhale as they circle around. We'll do 3 more. And last one. Releasing our hands. We'll finish off by doing centering. So bringing our feet together, one hand below, the other circles up as we breathe in. Coming through center, and we'll swap hands. Breathing in, other hand circles up. Breathing out as it comes down, swapping. Breathing in and out. In and out. And then we'll do a few more in our own time. Sealing in all the goodness from our practice, creating that balance within the body, creating balance within our mind. And one last one with each arm. And release. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please feel free to share with your friends and family. I'll see you next time. Bye.